Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a video from Facebook directly to your Android device. Whether it's a funny clip, an inspiring video, or a helpful tutorial, you'll be able to save it for offline viewing in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your Android device. Navigate to the video that you want to download. Once you've found the video, tap on it to open it fully. Next, tap on the three dots or the share button located below the video. This will open a menu with different options. Look for the copy link option and tap on it. This will copy the URL of the video to your device's clipboard. Now, exit the Facebook app and open your web browser on your Android device. You can use Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in SnapSave and press Enter to go to the website. Once the SnapSave website loads, you'll see a text field where you can paste the video link that you copied from Facebook. Tap on the text field, then paste the link. After that, tap the download button next to the text field. The site will process the link and display several options for downloading the video. Choose the resolution you prefer, such as HD or SD. Note that some ads might pop up during this process. Just close them to continue. After selecting the resolution, the video will start downloading directly in your browser. Once the download is complete, you can find the video in your device's Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a video from Facebook to your Android device. Now you can watch it anytime, anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.